Ayun nga guys, nagre-rest na yung dough natin for, we need 48 more minutes, no? So, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo paano natin itutuloy yung paggawa, no? But for now, um, share ko lang yung, let me share you kung ano yung mga ibang na-experience namin dito sa loob ng bahay, yun naman yun. Bago lang po kasi kami dito sa Italy, wala pa 1 taon. Tapos, given the consideration na nagka-pandemya pa, so, wala kami masyadong improvement, kumbaga. So, andito lang kami sa bahay. So, ito na nga, nag-umpisa na ang klase. Last week lang, 2 days palang pumapasok yung bata. And unfortunately, puro sweet biscuits, chocolatey biscuits, junk food yung available na baon nung anak ko, no? So, I told myself I must do something for him, especially beginning tomorrow. They would need to stay in the school for longer hours, like 5 hours, right? You want your child to have better snack than those sweet biscuits. So I'm making him bread to make him egg sandwich, tuna sandwich, or other sandwiches that he can like. But anyway, kanina nag-away kami mag-ina just to share, no? Kasi, so tomorrow, pasukan na nga. So I asked him, Marcos, what are you doing, anak? Go get your bag and let's inspect your things. You have to check your bag if everything you need tomorrow are there. Kompleto ba yan? Wala ba na kulangan? So, he did it. Tapos, we checked the bag together because I'm teaching him how to be organized. So, I want him to pull out his things out from the bag and put them back in. So, nung nalabas na niya yun, I open his case. Pakita ko nga. This is a small bag. And he has this. My 3 zippers yan. And I checked the one in the middle. And I saw this. Nung nakita ko to, ang initial reaction ko, hindi mo pencil yan. Nagulat ako kasi sa school nila ngayon, no touching. If it's not your stuff, don't touch it, and no sharing. As strict implementation due to the pandemic, no? So nakita ko to, hindi sa'yo ito, sabi ko. But then, I saw this sticker. I put names in each item in here inside this pouch. So 2 days pala siya pumapasok last week, guys. Ito na yung lapis niya. So nagalit ako kasi it used to be this long. Bago lang. What have you written for 2 days na nag-sharpen ka na nag-sharpen at umikli ang pencil mo? So I got mad. Sabi niya, tinasahan daw niya ng tinasahan hanggat sa lumiit ng ganun. Sabi ko, ba't mo ginawa? So he explained himself, naputol daw. But before he was able to explain himself, bongga na ang galit ko. Sabi ko, I always ask you, how are you? What did you do in the school? Wala kang kinukwento sa akin na naputol yung pencil mo at tinasahan mo ng tinasahan hanggat umikli ng ganun. Sabi niya is, Mommy, I'm concentrated on what's happening that moment and I forgot to tell you. You forgot to tell me? Iko. I want you to tell me everything. So yun guys, ganun lang kami mag-ina. We get fights, we get arguments, you know. I believe it's normal. Um, yung talking to your child na maayos, like if you did something wrong, it's okay, don't do that again, okay? Sometimes it just doesn't work to my child. Kailangan mo siyang pagalitan. And after that, kakambyo ka na lang na, look at you, I want the best for you, kaya mamaya gagawa kita ng bread, yung tipong ganun. Kakambyohan mo siya. And he will understand. Ganun si Marcus. And improve a lot already. So, it's been difficult for the past months for us here. Dahil di naman perfecto ang buhay, diba? Hindi naman lahat na po pwede mong maranasan yung parang sa YouTube lang ba? Masasaya, magaganda. Parang fairy tale. Unfortunately, hindi ganon sa totoong buhay, guys. May masaklap din, ganyan. At hindi porke nasa abroad ka at euro ang pera, masarap na. Mas masarap pa sa Pilipinas. Kasi kahit wala kang trabaho, kumakain ka. Ayun lang, guys. So, balikan natin yung bread. Hi, guys. Tapos na yung 1 hour na resting time. Actually, more than 1 hour siya. So, 1 hour and 15 minutes. Gawa ng dahil malamig na nga. Kailangan ko extend yung 1 hour para umalsa yung dough. So, ito na siya. Ang bango. Yan. Kita niyo, umalsa na siya. So, ganito yung itsura niya, no? Yan. Para siyang moon. Okay. Then, next step is napakadali lang. Again, wala tayong pagmamasang gagawin. Ifo-fold lang natin siya. So, itong folding na to, isang importanteng step sa bread making, no? So, we can do the folding inside the bowl, okay? And be careful in folding not to do it more than 30 seconds, okay? So, ang folding natin is scrape ko from the sides. Kunin ko, tapos kaganon ko. And I'll do all the round areas. So, okay. Let's do it. Not more than 30 seconds, ha? Yan. So, pag pina-fold nyo, guys, magpa-flatten siya. Kasi, madi-deflate niya siya. No? As you put, as you deflate it, tapos i-rest nyo ulit. And we put it back together, and let's wait for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, let's do the same step or procedure to fold it again, and that's the last. So we will do it 2 times or twice, okay? So hindi na kumuha ng cling wrap. Ito na lang, tipid pa. Tapos babalutin ko siya sa Ikakasyon ko siya sa unan, tapos papalutin ko pa siya ng kumot para warm, para madali siya umalsa. Let's check the dough after 45 minutes. Again, kalimutan ko ipakita. So, ganyan na siya ngayon, ha? Nakita nyo kanina, di ba, ang fluffy niya. So, nung finold natin, natanggalan ng hangin. So, naging ganyan siya. Don't worry, after 45 minutes, magfa-fluff ulit siya. Okay? And you know, when that thing happens to a dough, sumasarap yung bread. Doon siya nagkakaroon ng magic. Doon siya nagkakaroon ng wonderful flavor. Okay? Let's get back after 45 minutes. Timer ko naman. 45 naman. Okay?